The Shipments icon removes items from inventory when they are sold. It's used instead of shipping items from within order entry, most likely because order entry does not exist. Entering shipments here will not update order entry, if it does exist, nor will it create an invoice for the customer within accounts receivable. Therefore, if you have order entry, enter the order to reduce inventory stock levels there and do not use this icon. One of two transaction types can be entered: either a shipment to remove items from stock, or a return indicating that the customer returned items of which the system will increase the quantity in stock. Enter the shipment date, and the system defaults to the appropriate accounting period. Optionally, enter a description and/or reference to identify the shipment, as well as optionally enter a customer number. Entering or selecting a customer number is optional even if accounts receivable is integrated. If a customer is entered, the shipments function will default to the price list assigned to the customer, as well as the tax group and the customer's source currency if multi-currency is in use. But again, an invoice will not be generated. The shipments icon will only create the cost side of the accounting equation. The sales side will need to be entered separately, either within accounts receivable, a separate invoicing system, or directly within General Ledger as a journal entry. Enter or select the price list. If a customer was entered above, the price list associated with that customer will be displayed. Selecting a price list causes inventory to default to the appropriate price for the items entered in the lower portion of the screen. Then enter the items on the shipment. Enter or select the internal item number, a manufacturer's item number, or customer item number if aliases were created. The default category for the item then appears. As discussed earlier, the category code allows for item grouping as well as the assignment of the sales revenue and cost of goods sold accounts, among others. The category code can be changed if necessary. The next field indicates the location where the item is to be shipped from. To view the available locations and the quantities at each location, click the Finder. Then enter the number of items to ship. The price list defaults from the top portion of the screen, but it can be changed on an item-by-item basis. The unit price refers to the price list selected for the currency. The price can be changed. The system then calculates the extended price, and if the costing method for the item is user-specified, it'll prompt for the unit cost. Optionally enter item serial numbers, comments, and any optional field information. Repeat the process for each item being shipped. As with receipts, a shipment can temporarily be saved and recalled later, or directly posted now. If you elected to receive a prompt to delete the shipment, and it is deleted, it cannot be recalled in the future for inquiry purposes or to perform a return using the return transaction type. Shipment transactions can always be removed later if necessary.
Let's take a look at adjustments.